Welcome to Advanced Tech Solution channel. Before start my video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. In this tutorial I will show you another Windows 10 tricks and tips. So when you press Windows plus X, you can find the start button context menu. In that start button context menu, you can find lots of options like mobility center, power option, event viewer, system, device manager, network connection, disk management. You can change all of those settings from here. So when you press Windows plus A, you can find the action center, and in that action center you can also change Bluetooth connection, network connection, Windows brightness, mobile hotspot. All of those options is here. When you want to know how many wireless audio devices connected, you have to press Windows plus K and you can find how many wireless audio devices connected into your PC. Next, if you want to open Windows Explorer, you don't need to go my computer. Just press Windows plus E and Windows Explorer will be open, and you can find your file and drive here, and you can select your file and folder from here. Next, if you want to share your screen with another device like projector, your smart TV or T screen, then just you have to press Windows plus P and you can share your laptop screen with another external device. If you want to magnify your screen, press Windows plus for magnifying your screen, and reverse way you have to press Windows minus for minimize it. Suppose if you are working multiple files and you want to see both files at the same screen, then select one file and press Windows left arrow for placing the left side of your screen, and select another file and press Windows right arrow for placing the another side of your screen. If you want to know how many files you are working with, just press Windows plus tab. You can see all of your open file into one screen. When you want to go Windows setting, just press Windows plus I and you can go to the Windows setting option. So thanks for watching my video. If you find the video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.